Hello, my name is Ajit Kumar and I am from India. My native place is Bihar. My hobby is to explore various applications on internet, design applications, softwares, as well as playing games, listening to music. I have done my primary and higher secondary education from Bihar only, and then I started thinking about doing some different. So I thought of to move towards art and craft. So keeping all these in mind, I finally joined NIFT in 2011, where I got to learn the basic fundamental of design tools and various softwares, as well as textile techniques like surface designs, color explorations, color gradation, and then fabric development, printing techniques, and weaving, and then stitching, and then pattern making. So during graduation, I got an opportunity to visit various places like Alleppey, which is in Kerala, for craft clusters, choir craft clusters, and Jharcraft, which is in Jharkhand, Ranchi, for weaving. While doing the graduation design project, I got an opportunity to join Manfo Exports, which is a fabric exporter industry in Bangalore, where got to know about the industry working principles, the machine operations, and also the raw material procurement and the final dispatch of the fabrics, as well as samples and the production. So after completing my graduation, I came back to Chhattisgarh, where I joined various handloom clusters, explored all the problems which were being faced by the weavers, handloom weavers of Chhattisgarh. So then I try to sort out all those problems one by one, and then finally make them learn the standard parameters like uh, going with the market requirement, fabrics, colors, textures, weaves, also taking care of the quality parameters and standards for the product development, especially in handloom sector, like fabrics and products which were stitched by the local artisans. So they standardized all those things with the help of our ideas, and finally came up with the great response from the market side in product selling. So this is how again a development took place with the ideas that I implemented in various weaver societies, and then uh, I got to join Indira Kala Sangeet Viswavidyalaya Department of Craft and Design in 2018, where I got to teach students various projects, various design projects, various practicals, and theories subjects also. So after working with the Indira Kala Sangeet Viswavidyalaya Department of Craft and Design for 1.5 year, that is 3 semester I worked there, and later on I got an opportunity to work with the Chhattisgarh State Handloom Department, uh, where I am continuing my job as a textile designer, and my job role is to taking care of the design development which is being done in various societies, handloom societies in Chhattisgarh, and also their production, as well as costing and product development process also I have to look after. Also to help the weavers, handloom weavers, in uplifting their design concepts, skills, in terms of technology, in terms of techniques, in terms of weaving, in terms of weaves, in terms of color patterns, ultimately to keep them up to date with the market. So this is all about me and my experiences, and then I wish I could help you in any ways. Then it would be my pleasure, and I hope you will like this resume. Thank you so much for watching.